The new Fergus Go calendar makes it super easy to schedule new jobs on the go. Let's walk through how it works. First, you'll want to head to the calendar button at the bottom of the screen. I'm currently looking at my schedule for the day, so I can see when I'm free. But let's say I want to schedule a job for Adam and Brendan. I can head to the profile button with the drop-down arrow to select other groups or staff to view. Let's uncheck myself and tap on Adam and Brendan and then press done. Now I'm able to view both of their calendars side by side, so I can easily see when they're both available at the same time. I can see they're busy from 2 PM onwards, so we'll have to pop this in for 12 PM. Now, you can schedule a job in two ways, from the calendar or from the job card. Let's schedule from the calendar first. To do this, simply tap on the schedule button in the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll be presented with two options, to schedule a job or a custom event for things like toolbox talks or annual leave. Tap the job option. From here, you can search for an already existing job or create a new job. Let's create a new job. Select the customer, site address, and add in any job details. Once you're happy with the job, tap the save button. Remember, Adam and Brendan are both free at 12 PM, so this is what we'll change the first time to, and you'll notice the end time automatically updates to be an hour later, so I don't need to make any changes here. You then need to assign this event to the employees you want to be going there. So go ahead and select Adam and Brendan from the list. Now, we can tap the save button and that's it. You can see the calendar has automatically updated to show the new scheduled job in the calendar. Now, let's schedule an already existing job from its job card. You may want to do this if you want to view the job's details before scheduling, or if it's a job that's been attended to previously, you may want to see who attended the job and when. If the job hasn't been scheduled before, you can head to the home screen, where it will be either on the assigned or unassigned jobs list. Alternatively, you can search for the job. Let's jump into our unassigned column and pick a job from here, so that I can run you through how to assign and schedule. You can assign and schedule this job via the Add button in the job card, or scroll down and find the Assign and Schedule tab. First, we'll want to make sure the relevant staff have been assigned. It just makes it easier in the long run. Tap Assign and choose the desired staff. So I'll be picking Adam and Brendan. You can even flick between the job card and the calendar if the job was opened via the homepage. That way you can check availability while scheduling the job. Next, tap Schedule Event. Remember, they now have an hour gap between 1 PM and 2 PM, so this is what I'll pop into the schedule here. Start time 1 PM and end time 2 PM. You then need to assign this event to the employees you want to be going there. You can see because I assigned this job previously, I can easily just assign it to all employees that have been assigned to the job so far by tapping the Yes button at the bottom. So this would assign Adam and Brendan. Now we can tap Save, and that's it for scheduling from the job card and the Fergus Go calendar.